Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to use the inbound webhook URL in Bitrix24 to send the data from your backend and identify the which fields and the field values are being stored in your CRM section. So this is especially useful you are integrating a website or external application or any backend system with Bitrix CRM section. So before going to the session, if you are forgot to subscribe, like, so you can do it and then watch this video. Let's get started today's session. So what is an inbound webhook URL in the Bitrix CRM section? That means an inbound webhook URL allows external system to send data into the Bitrix24. It's like giving your backend a secure and entry point to create or update a record such as leads or deals or contact in the Bitrix CRM section. So for that, if you go to the developer resource, after that you can click the others. You have the inbound webhook URL and you can pass the method where exactly data it's landing into the Bitrix section. For that, you can choose CRM lead or deal, CRM lead add. You can choose CRM lead add, and after that you can, by using this URL, the data is passed to that means the data is pushed from the your external source to Bitrix CRM section. And one more thing, you need to identify the fields, what fields are exactly in the CRM section. For that, you can choose webhook to call REST API. So this is the format of webhook to call the REST API for identify the which fields are exactly in their CRM section. If you want to change their methods, you can change your methods. After that, you can copy this URL and then go to the postman. Say this is my in webhook REST API call. I have passed this method crm lead dot get, and immediately I have identified the lead what exactly in the in the lead CRM section. So these are the backend fields. So this ID 26884. So if you go to the CRM section, the lead ID is, close this tab. So 26884. This is the lead ID. So for that you can easily identify the Bitrix built-in fields as well as the customized fields. One more thing, the customized fields, not exactly what fields are in their user interface. There is a separate parameters that means there is a separate uh, field section is available in the backend section. So for that you need to identify that field also, and then immediately you can identify the field and use the field pass to your external application or external, that means website. Immediately the data is landing uh, Bitrix CRM section. The postman, that means you can also test in the webhook using tools like postman by selecting the post method passes your webhook URL. I have already passes the webhook URL and sending your field data into the JSON format. I have sent that JSON format. So like that you can easily identify the backend fields. According to that you can pass that value respective field. I hope this video helped you understanding the integration process. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, drop them into the comment below. I will happy to help you. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.